Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you now how to work with color thumbnail in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, you want to so for instance, I come down below right here, I create a new layer. Then after create a new layer, then I have to go ahead and then come to my toolbar right here. I select my rectangular tool, then I try to draw a rectangular tool right here. Now, if you are using advanced Photoshop, maybe Photoshop 2025 or 2026, it becomes much more easier to find this particular color preview thumbnail in Photoshop using your contextual taskbar. But however, if you cannot find your contextual taskbar in your Photoshop workspace like this, this is contextual taskbar. But if you cannot find it right here, just come to window right here and make sure you look for contextual taskbar. So continue to down, continue to come down, and then you have your contextual taskbar right here. If I uncheck it now, you find out that the contextual taskbar is not available. Then I have to go back to window right here, and then I will make sure I select my contextual taskbar and it's become active. Now, how can you manage the color thumbnail preview in order for you to see more color and in Photoshop? For that, go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then you have color right here in different folder right here. Like for instance, if I open up this particular folder color, then we have the color in a tiny way, just like what you see right here. How do you increase the color thumbnail in this category? Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Then you have different preview thumbnail. You have tiny thumbnail, which is smallest like this. Come back right here. You can switch to large list. Then you have all in this way. Everything depends on what exactly you are looking for. You can click on here again and then go ahead and check on large thumbnail. So if you click on large thumbnail, you have it this way instead of tiny. Then from here, you'll be able to see the preview color very well. You can use the color from this here. Once you select on the color, it updates in the object, whether on the text or on the shape. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.